300 horsepower, 1,100 kilograms. That makes this Alpine A110 GTS nearly 300 kilograms lighter than a Porsche Cayman. And in 12 months, you won't be able to buy one anymore. This is one of the last petrol-powered Alpines ever made. Production ends mid-2026, and standing here at the Brussels Motor Show, looking at this blue Abysse metallic paint catching the light, you start to understand why collectors are paying attention. The design hasn't changed much since 2017, but that's the point. Those round LED headlights sit at the leading edge of that clamshell bonnet, giving it a face that's unmistakably retro yet completely modern. The body is all aluminum, riveted and welded for strength without the weight penalty. Those optional 18-inch GT race wheels in black diamond-cut finish hide red Brembo calipers that cost an extra €450. Down the side, those deep scallops aren't just for show. They create an hourglass shape that makes this car look planted even standing still. Around the back, the quad exhausts confirm you're looking at the 300 horsepower version. This one has the optional GTS aero kit fitted, adding €6,450 but bringing a front splitter. Inside, the weight savings continue. This example has the optional Sabelt leather seats with 6-way adjustment and heating. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with visible carbon fiber accents. That 7-inch touchscreen looks dated compared to modern rivals, but Alpine gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. The Focal premium sound system with integrated subwoofer comes standard on the GTS, and you get a drive mode selector with normal, sport, and track settings. The dashboard is a mix of leather and that exposed aluminum chassis, which reminds you this is still a proper sports car underneath the grand touring comfort. Rear seats do not exist. This is a strict 2-seater. The pedals are aluminum, and so is the passenger footrest. Storage is where reality hits. Behind you sits the 1.8-liter turbocharged engine, leaving you with a 90-liter boot. Under the front bonnet, another 100 liters. That's it. This isn't a Porsche with its practical frunk. This is a car that asks you to pack light or stay home. That mid-mounted engine produces 300 horsepower and 340 newton-meters of torque. The 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox sends power to the rear wheels only. 0 to 100 takes just 4.2 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. But here's the real story. At just 1,100 kilograms, you get a power-to-weight ratio of 272 horsepower per ton. That beats the Cayman despite having less power. This GTS starts at €79,700. Add the options you see here, including the aero kit, metallic paint, and upgraded wheels, and you're looking at €90,535. Is that a lot? The Porsche it competes with starts at similar money but weighs 300 kilos more, and in 12 months, this car becomes a future classic. If lightweight driving purity matters to you, the window is closing fast. Next up, I'm filming something electric. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.